Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to turn your trouser into a skirt that you're going to like. I hope you find this helpful, so stick around and let's get this done. So you need your ruler, your chalk, your tape rule, a pair of scissors, a seam ripper, and then you can start. You want to make sure you lay your trousers, make sure everything is properly laid well. You have to remove any form of crease, lay it properly well, and then we'll be measuring from the sides, from the center side, not from the middle front. So you have to be also careful from that. That is what I'm doing. So you're going to measure your desired skirt length, and then you would mark that with your chalk. Now you can go ahead to cut that out at the point where you want your skirt to be. So this is going to be the hem of our skirts. Now you want to go ahead to open up the seams at the middle thighs where I showed you. You're going to use your seam ripper to open that up, and that is what I'm going to show you right here. Now we have all the sides open. You're going to go ahead to open up the middle front up to the zip part. So what I'm doing now is measuring the part at which I have to my zip point, and that's 12 centimeter. I'm also going to go and to my back and mark that 12 centimeter, which I'm also going to open up till that point at the back. You want to go ahead and then open it up and then lay it against each other. You need a pair of pins for this, and I'm just gonna lay them out and then pin them. Now you're gonna need the pieces which you cut out initially, and then keep that aside. But at first you need to pin this first, so this might take a while, but just pin as the way you have your design to be. You can see we already have it from the trousers. Just lay them. You can get your center point and then pin that first, and then move all the way down to just make sure you remove any form of crease. And at this stage, your sewing pin is actually your best friend, which you need to use at this point. So now when you're done with pinning it and you're sure this is how you want it to be open and this is how you want the design, you have to go over to your sewing machine and then sew that pin part down. And you can decide to go before doing the back side, but I decided to pin everything before going over to my sewing machine. So for the back, you will notice that you have it open, so you have to fold it like half an inch or just like 1 centimeter in, and then also use your pin to pin it down, considering how open you want it to be. So now I'm just sewing the pin part down, securing it down before I move to the next stage. At this point I am done, so I need to go over and bring my pieces that I already cut out initially and then open it up. So you're just gonna go ahead and open it up. I open it from the side seam, yeah, then just open it with your scissors. And once you have it all flatly opened, so now I'm considering the fact that my hem is also not yet made, so I'm going to use the open part, that is the part with the rough edges, and I'm just going to lay it well underneath where I have my skirt opened, just to make it all covered up. Actually, you can leave the skirt like this if you want it open, but I wanted a full skirt, fully covered skirt, and that is the reason why I'm using these pieces at this point. So actually you just have to make sure it is well laid, and then go over with your sewing pin and pin it down before going over to your sewing machine. So now I'm just gonna do the same thing at the back side of the skirt, putting in the leftover pieces and then using it to just cover it up, also with my sewing pin, just like the same thing I did in the front. It's kind of like a repeated process. So now I'm just gonna go over my sewing machine and make sure I sew down what I already pinned down. It's gonna be way more easier if you pin it than trying to do it just directly. So this is how the skirt looks like. You can decide to fold it or keep it like that. I decided to fold mine. If you've gotten to this part of this video, thank you for watching, and I hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you get to subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you get notified when next I upload a new video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Comment down in the comment section what you want to see next in my video. Bye guys, see you next time.